Alright, so this is going to be a video on this 52-inch white Harbor Breeze Classic ceiling fan that I'm getting for my birthday in April. That I got that my a family member got for me noon box off of eBay for $95. And for those thinking it's not a Harbor Breeze Classic, you're actually wrong. It's a more rare variant of it. It's an indoor-outdoor fan. You can see the box of it's over there. But anyways, onto the fan. So we're going to be demonstrating before I make sure it works properly before I give it back to that said family member. So, anyways, let's turn it on low. This fan was manufactured in February of 2014, by the way. This was only sold for like 2 years, and that was it. 2014 and 2015. Can't really feel much air on low. Anyways, here goes medium. This thing hums a little bit, just so you guys know. It hums on both low and medium. Not sure about high yet, but we'll get into that in a few seconds. And speaking of which, here it goes high. This is not a bad performer for what it is. For being such a cheap fan, this is not a bad performer. I can feel tons and tons and tons of air on high for what it is. Well, it's about the same amount of air as my Tiempo up there. It does hum on high, have noticeable hum on high, but no big deal. And here's off. Anyways, hope you enjoy. Comment, like, and subscribe. Share your thoughts down in the comments, and stay tuned for more content to come.